Alright, what's going on? We're working on the Streetglide again. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the front end apart, get into these shocks, and put the Progressive drop-ins. That's what we're going to do. We're going to start taking this apart. I think that's from his, he used to have a CB on here, didn't he? There it goes! What's mine? Stop. Come on, hurry up. It won't. You're holding up production.
I don't have the arm strength anymore. Just gotta be a dick, don't you? Oh! Oh!
Nice. I don't have a way to turn it.
Oh! Anyway, you pull that shock back out of it?
Gloves.
Oh, is that the problem?
Yeah.
Is that no gription?
No, I'm cut on my hands.
How do we get these back up?
Drop the bike back down.
Hmm?
Drop the bike back down.
Do you think it's going to go down that much?
Yeah. Well, the whole bike's off the ground right now. See, it's not so bad.
Yeah, now I got no paint on the bottom of my bike. That's okay.
You're not going to anyways. You want to be a low boy, hot boy?
Want to play, you gotta pay.
That's right. Alright guys, well, I hope you liked the video. I ended up not filming some of putting it together, putting the fairing on, stuff like that, only because it's beginning of the video, at the end of the video, just backwards. So I just didn't end up doing anything for it. I don't know. Sorry, I'm still trying to get used to this. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the bike. We're just getting ready to get into cutting into the rear fender, so that'll be that'll probably be broken up into a couple videos, only because that'll be it's a pretty extensive project, so you know, it is what it is. But thanks for watching, stay tuned, and see you guys later.